Hi, welcome back to Person's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will briefly show you the projects unit within Xero. This is an additional add-on and you may not see it in your Xero ribbon when you first have access to Xero. You will have to add this to your subscriptions to then be able to access it. So at the top of your ribbon, you will have projects. If you click on this, you will then be able to click on all projects. So to create a new project, what you want to do is go over to the right and where you've got the green box, click new project. And you can either create it as a draft or in progress. So naturally the difference is this is something that you're hoping to create as a project in the future. And so you're going to just create it and provide some estimates maybe in there for now. And you're not planning on sending this out just yet. And then the in progress one is maybe something that you are being able to start soon or almost immediately. And so we will just choose this in progress option. You can create a draft and then make it in progress shortly after. So it's not too much of a worry which one you choose. First of all, you need to include the contact. So my contact is 24 Locks, so I'll just click on them. Create a project name. I'm just going to call it Rome, and then click a deadline. So I'm going to give myself a couple of months and choose the 31st of May. You can then choose this estimate section and calculate from tasks and estimated expenses what the tax will be, which is what I'm going to do. And then who views this project. So this again comes back to who has access to your Xero and who therefore can view this. So I'm going to allow this to be public. So anyone who's got access to my project section in Xero will be able to see this rather than choosing the private option. This might be different for you. So do have a look at which ones you would rather use. And then you can click on the create button. And then this is the project that has now been created. I'll run through how to go extra bits into this in another video shortly. Hopefully that video was helpful. Like and subscribe for more content and see you at the next one.